Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be replacing the spindle bolt on my 46-inch Troy-Bilt horse mower.
So what happened on mine is that I didn't get the bolt tight enough and it kind of mushroomed the star out, the star pattern. So now the blade won't stay locked in, so it just spins randomly, shakes the whole deck.
Take off the mower blade, of course.
Then take the bolt off the top. They're both 24mm bolts. I just use my DeWalt DCF 885 little 1/4-inch impact, takes it right off, and then just hit that bolt with a hammer, and then the actual rod comes out. Hammer. Try not to hit your guard. Alright. The bushing, that comes off. Off of there. Here's the new spindle shaft. It's from a company called Quickieparts. It's the only one on Amazon that I could get next day, so I ordered it. That's the reason I'm not replacing the actual spindles, because it would take a week to get the OEM with the sealed bearings, and I don't want to buy an aftermarket that has the grease fittings because I don't want to grease my mower. I have other things to do. So I'm just going to replace this part since it was like 17 bucks. So you can definitely tell the difference. So slide that in. Wow, that went in by hand. That's nice. This top part, there's not a whole lot of knurl there, but so these two are not the exact same, but they're the same length. It looks like the knurl is going to top out at the same spot that the pulley goes onto, and the thread looks the same. I think this brake is making this more difficult than it needs to be, and the 100-degree weather. Let's try that. There we go. Chain bolt on top. Brake holder off. Alright, got my freshly sharpened blades. And there's what it's supposed to look like. Here's the other side. Still in pretty good shape. So, yeah, make sure the mating surface is clean. I think that was my mistake last time. And they should fit right on there. Hey, there we go.